What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but I'm still alive. So today, as you guys may be aware, some of you at least, September 20th, it is iPhone 16 and 16 Pro launch day today. But I am so satisfied with my iPhone 15 Pro that I've had since last year. I've made a couple of videos on that I am not going to be upgrading my phone this year at all. Absolutely love this phone, like I mentioned, and of course, you know, they don't make a blue iPhone this year, at least in a Pro model. So I am honestly planning on keeping this phone for 2 to 3 years at the very least. I also own a home now, and I have some little bit of different priorities financially, so I can't just be blowing money on new technology all the time. But with that said, I still picked up a new set of AirPods because these are the new AirPods 4, but these are really cool because they actually have active noise cancellation, which was previously a feature exclusive to the AirPod Pros, but the AirPod Pros with their silicone tips don't really fit my ears very well, so I've always been rocking the regular AirPods. I currently have the AirPods 3, which have been serving me pretty well, but having active noise cancellation, especially when I'm like using them outside, where there's, you know, ambient noise around, that's going to be really nice. Now, I'm not really sure how this is going to work compared to the Pro model, but if it's at least a little bit better than the model without them at all, then I'll be happy with my purchase. So another thing worth mentioning with these is that they also have slightly updated the design of the earbud itself, and supposedly it's supposed to make it fit better in your ears. I haven't really had any issues with these. These actually fit my ears pretty well. Of course, that's going to vary on the shape of your ear and all that good stuff, but regardless, I'm glad I got them, and here they are. So let's go ahead and open them up. Typical AirPods box, there's not really any differences there. We just have a couple of pull tabs. Of course, Apple has gotten rid of the plastic packaging on their products, and that's been a thing for a couple of years now, so it is what it is. But anyways, there you go, and then we'll go ahead and open them up. I'm interested to see if we actually get any Apple stickers, because I do know they did remove those from the iPhone 16s and whatnot. But anyhow, here they are. Got a little welcome booklet and stuff that tells you how to set them up and whatnot. So there you go. Usual books and stuff. Nothing really too interesting here. And yeah, as it turns out, there is no Apple sticker. So I guess that is a bit of an end of an era for Apple products. They've been doing that since pretty much they became a company. So interestingly, no more Apple stickers. So I'll be selling those on eBay in a couple years, and they're worth a bunch of money. Now you may notice, or you may be wondering why this is a little bit misaligned. I did get an engraving, which you might be able to see. So I'm guessing these were opened at the factory to engrave them. So anyway, let's go ahead and pop them open here. See if we can get in these, and here they are. So of course I just got my initials on the front just to make them a little bit different. It was free, so I figured why not. Now, comparing the case, you can see that the new case on these AirPods is a little bit smaller, so that's interesting. But another big change, which I'm actually pretty happy about since I have, like I said, an iPhone 15 Pro, is a USB-C port. So now I can charge my phone and my AirPods with the same cable. And of course, these do also support wireless charging, which is actually how I plan to charge them most of the time. I have an Anker dual wireless charger thing by my bed. So anyway, there they are. Like I said, a little bit of a smaller case. We have a USB-C port, like I mentioned, but I believe this guy might be a microphone, and then this guy is a speaker. So you can actually use Find My to find these, and it can actually play a tone. So that's kind of nice. But there you have it. Let's go ahead and open them up. So as you can see, yeah, definitely a little bit of a different... Oh, you can see the speaker actually made noise as well. But yeah, you can see a little bit of a different design. These actually look a little bit similar to the original AirPods from, you know, when they first came out with the iPhone 5. So those actually fit my ear pretty well. So we'll see how that goes. But there you go. The review units were mentioning that the magnets that hold the tips in do seem a little bit stronger, and I would generally agree with that, at least in the 2 seconds that I've been playing with them. And there you have it. And now you also may notice versus the older set is that there's not, this pairing button's completely gone. It's actually a touch sensitive area right here where the light is. And you can see it's already in pairing mode because it hasn't been set up yet. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, not super exciting, of course. I just wanted to make this little video because I haven't made a video in almost 4 months since I moved here to Arizona. And I've just been really busy. Like I said, my priorities have changed, so I haven't really been buying a whole lot of new technology stuff, so that's kind of the reason I haven't made many videos, but just wanted to make this because got some new AirPods, and I wanted to just let you guys know that I'm still alive, and I will hope to be making some more videos soon. But with that said, that's pretty much it. Thanks you guys for watching this unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.